Yeah. Okay. So as a teacher, I was in charge of NCC, but NCC C unit. Okay, not air, not land, C. Then it's under the Navy lah, where we do a lot of like dragon boating, kayaking and stuff. Fun and fun. Okay, good. Okay, so we have a mix here of sports lah. We have a mixture of like football sports. We have Chinese dance. We have band. Okay, we have a lot of uniform groups here. Okay, we will take that into consideration later when we discuss some things here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, today we'll be covering editing, grammar, okay, situation writing, and some current affairs. I really honestly don't think I will be able to cover so many things, okay, in detail. Okay, but we try. How many of you have done your homework? You know, you guys got homework to do, right? Who hasn't done your homework? Come on. Allah didn't do. Why didn't?
I just knew that there was class today and I just came back from school.
Oh, just came back. Okay. I will give you guys some time to at least do. Okay. Oh, someone wants to join the call. Who is this? Okay, who is plot plate? Hello, plot plate. You just joined. Are you able to unmute and let me know who you are? Identify yourself.
Hello,
Hi.
hello.
Yes, you are?
I'm Bunny.
You're Bernie. Bernie, can you do us a favor? You see everyone turn on their cameras, right?
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, thank you so much. You need to go and style your hair first, you see. Okay, since Bernie is late, right? Let's make him introduce himself. Introduce himself to us. Bernie, hurry up.
Wait, how do I change my name?
How do you that one not important lah, later lah. You turn on your camera first. So you can say hi to you. Okay, in the interest of time, I'm just going to skip to the next slide first. Okay, for those who didn't do your grammar, your homework, okay, like Bala didn't do, right? Okay, take a look at the questions first. Can you maybe grab your notebook, your pen or pencil, go and write down first the answers. Or you can open a new tab. You can open a new tab to go to the platform. You log into your 88 account and then you do your work there. Up to you. Which is more convenient for you? Okay, and I think Bernie has disappeared because I think he's logged into the wrong account with the wrong account. Okay, wait. Besides Pala, who else hasn't done? Caitlin done, Yuzel done, Archie done, Chloe done. All good? All good? Okay. But I want to go through the answers, but I don't want to just give you the answers. Okay. I want to make you guys let me I want you guys to explain to me how you got the answers. Okay. Well, when you're done, let me know. Let us know. Feel free to unmute yourself and just say, okay, I'm done. Okay. Okay, the situational writing, did you guys do? How many of you didn't do situational writing? See, like situational writing, I don't do. Oh, done. No, right? Okay, I can see some of you shaking your heads. I understand why also, okay, because obviously editing easier to do, right? But let's try our best, okay? If you have work to do, we finish the work, okay? Especially now you guys are in upper sec, it's a different ball game. It's not as if you're in lower sec, sec one, sec two, just playing around. You're actually starting to prepare for your O levels now already. Okay? Hope you guys understand. Okay, Bala, which question already? Okay, hurry up. Okay, the rest of you, I want you to take a look at your answers. I think you have your tab on, right? You can take a look at your answers. Your worksheet is it will be auto marks for you already, right? I want you later on, okay, each of you will I will ask on I'll call on you guys, okay, to tell me your answers and why you have decided to change, whatever is on the left hand side to the right hand side, the error. Okay, I don't want you to just tell me the answer, okay, and I will not accept answers like, oh, because it sounds right, it sounds wrong. Okay, I don't want to go by feeling. All right, I want you to realize, okay, there are certain grammatical rules that are right and wrong. Okay, I believe very much that in school, right, your teachers will just give you your editing worksheet or your exam editing and just show you the answers on the board and just, oh, these are the answers, then you just copy down. Correct? And your teacher will just briefly say, oh, this one is SVA, this is tense, this is past tense, present tense, but it's just labeling. But I want you to explain why. Okay, we go a bit further. Okay, so take a look at your answers and think about how you're going to explain. I'm not gonna tell you who I'm gonna assign to each question.
Sure, I'm done.
Done. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the answers now. Okay, you are going to go through the answers. Okay. Can we have, okay, let's be fair today. Let's go by alphabetical order for now. Okay. Archie, are you there? Okay, Archie, you there, right? Okay. See you in your gamer mode with your gamer headphones. Okay, you have mic, right? Archie. Do you have a mic? Can you unmute yourself and then can you read out the first line for us? Like once a gentleman was traveling.
Hello?
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Once a gentleman was traveling on a train. He felt thirsty and got down at a station in search of water.
Okay, continue.
No sooner he had reached the water tap, an engine
Okay.
was stopped and
Okay,
the
wait.
train started.
Okay. Can we pause at the first box? Okay. The error, I think, is all underlined for you already, right? Okay. Can you tell me what's the error and then what's your answer?
My answer is I changed it to the
Wait. The answer is where got
no, I changed it to
right?
the TXG.
Oh, okay. N to the, but why? My question is why? Yeah, why? What's the difference between N and the? How come? How come you changed it to the?
The
Because it sounds right.
yeah.
Okay, I don't want to accept sounds right, sounds wrong. Okay. That is not true mastery of your grammar rules. Okay. Right. Let's reason out. Okay. When do we use N or or when do we use the? Two different things, right? Sounds the same but different. Okay, let's put some pressure on Archie. Help. But if anyone wants to help, you raise your hands. Okay, we click on the raise hands button. Is it an article? Okay, is it an article? What? Arjun, see the irony of your Is it an article mistake? Not an article mistake. Yes, it is an article mistake, but what are articles then? What's the difference between the technical term? Yeah, you're right, article. But your teachers, right, when they will go through editing, they will bracket article, the article. But what's the point of doing that? Labeling article mistake, but you don't understand what's article mistake. Okay, so what is an article mistake? What's the difference between and the? Let's think about it. Actually, how?
What's the question?
What is the difference between and the?
I don't know.
Okay, it's okay to don't know. Okay, Arjun, do you have any idea? And the.
N is not supposed to be used because E is not a vowel.
Huh?
Because like
N.
N is
Okay.
not supposed to be correct because engine has E. So
Okay,
it
but-
starts with the letter E.
But correct what? Then an engine should be correct what?
Engine is correct, but then wait. Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry.
why do we? Yeah, the answer is the what? Not changing to or n, right? Yeah, so what's the difference between and the? You see, that's the problem.
Because the engine has already been mentioned.
Okay, engine has already been mentioned. Okay, you are onto something. You're onto something. Okay, Bala, you have something to say?
It's because there's the water tap above.
The water tap above.
Is that why there's the?
Okay, not necessarily. Okay, no sooner had he reached the water tap, an engine is it's not it's not say that the water tap and then you must say the engine one. Okay, I give you an example. Okay, no sooner had the alarm rang, okay, a cat jumped in front of me. Can what? Correct. So Caitlin says that is any engine, the is a specific one. Okay, good. So I'm going to combine what Arjun have said, okay, has said, and what Caitlin has mentioned here. Okay, both of you are correct. Okay, is for any general engine. All right, when the is a specific one. But how come we are using the specific the now? It's because what Arjun said just now, the engine has already been mentioned. Okay, the engine has already been mentioned. What? So if you're looking at the first few lines, once a gentleman was traveling in a train, he felt thirsty and got down to a station in search of water. No sooner had he reached the water tap, the engine whistled, because it's referring to the engine of the train that has already been mentioned. Do you get it? Okay. When we talk about the, we are using for something specific. Is more for general. Okay. Ken? Okay, next. Arjun, since you have, contributed, okay, I'm going to skip you for a while. I'm going to get back to you. Caitlin also has mentioned something. Oh, Chloe, hi, are you there? Chloe, can you do me a favor? Do us a favor. Can you read the next line for us, please?
What's the next line?
Sorry?
What's the next line?
The next line, whistled, and the train started. Okay. Line number 2.
The second one, the second box.
Yeah, second box. Over here.
Whistled and the train started. He ran back, but
Read the whole thing.
I'm sorry. She ran back, but missed the train. It was getting dark.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so your answer is?
I changed she to he.
Okay, why? This one very straightforward. Why?
Because on the first line it said a gentleman, and the pronouns for a male is he and not she, as she is a female pronoun.